Hello everybody. Today we will define the slab section and shear wall. First we go to define slab property, section property and slab section. Click on slab 1 and modify property. Change the name to slab 20. It means 20 centimeter and slab material is 28 megapascal. Modeling type is shear thin. Modifier current default. Click on it. And membranes F11 direction. It's equal 0.35. And bending M11 equal 0.35. Also M22 equal 0.35. Then OK. And property data, the type is slab, thickness equal to 200 millimeter. Okay, that's how to define slab section. Then okay. And we are going to define shear wall section. Go to section property and wall section. Modify this wall. Change the name to wall 30 centimeter. And wall material is equal to 35 megapascal. Modeling type is shear thin and modifiers currently default. Click on it and change the modifier to 0.7. The ACI says that use 0.7 for uncracked wall section and bending M11 direction of X and M22 is direction of Y. It's equal to 0.7, then 0.7. Okay. And property note, we don't have any notes. Change the color to red. Okay. Property data, thickness of wall, 300 millimeter. Okay. And okay. That's how to define slab and shear wall. Thanks for watching.